Tournament selection method. Another method, a very useful method of selecting parents in an evolutionary algorithm. As the name indicates, this method is based on organizing a tournament for selecting offsprings from the number of individuals available in that population. So this method consists of organizing a tournament among a small subset of individuals selected on the basis of some criteria from the n number of individuals present in that specific population to produce offsprings for the next generation. The procedure starts by randomly selecting n number of individuals from the total available of individuals in that specific population. And जब वो k नंबर ऑफ इंडिविजुअल सेलेक्ट होते हैं तो जो k नंबर है, k जो है जो भी नंबर सेलेक्ट हो जाएगा randomly from that specific population of individuals, this k is also called as the tournament size. The size of the tournament will be reflected by this size of the k. The individual with the best fitness among the k individuals is able to produce offsprings in the next generation. But all the k individuals जो भी select हुए और जब वो एक दफ़ा offspring produce करते हैं तो then we put all the individuals which participated in that specific tournament, they are put back into the original population, and every member of that population is now eligible to participate in another tournament to select another offspring. So far, each and every offspring, a tournament has been organized to select the most fittest offspring or the most fitted individual to breed and produce offspring for the next generation. So a new tournament will be organized, and in that tournament, another offspring will be selected. So the number of tournaments will be dependent upon the number of selected individuals. जितने भी इंडिविजुअल्स को सेलेक्ट करना होगा, हर एक इंडिविजुअल के लिए एक इंडिविजुअल टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करना होगा और उस टूर्नामेंट में से मुख्तलिफ जो भी सेलेक्टेड इंडिविजुअल्स होंगे वो एक दूसरे को कम्पीट करेंगे और द मोस्ट फिटेड जो इंडिविजुअल होगा वो उस टूर्नामेंट में से फाइनलिस्ट होगा और जो भी फाइनलिस्ट का विनर होगा दैट विल बी सेलेक्टेड एज द selected offspring to reproduce. Tournament selection method achieves a good compromise in both maintaining both the selection pressure and genetic diversity. ये इस तरह भी good method है क्योंकि it has the ability to achieve a good compromise in maintaining both the selection pressure and genetic diversity. जो बाकी कुछ methods है उनमें ये एक ड्रॉबैक हो सकता है कि उनमें कोई एक चीज़ जो है वो कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ हो सकती है जो सिस्टम को नेगेटिवली इम्पैक्ट कर सकती है, जबकि इस सिस्टम की ब्यूटी ये है कि इट हैज़ द पोटेंशियल टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ बोथ जेनेटिक डाइवर्सिटी एंड सिलेक्शन प्रेशर इन अ गिवन पॉपुलेशन. सो टूर्नामेंट सिलेक्शन मेथड जो है लिटरेचर में भी जब हम देखते हैं तो लिटरेचर में भी ज़्यादातर जो सिलेक्शन मेथड यूज़ हुआ है वो भी यही मेथड है टूर्नामेंट सिलेक्शन का. और इसकी एक बड़ा रीज़न जो मेजर रीज़न है टू मेजरली यूज़ दिस मेथड फॉर सेलेक्टिंग द पेरेंट्स, क्योंकि कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि सम ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल्स यूजुअली हैज़ देयर नेगेटिव वैल्यूज़ फॉर देयर फिटनेस. सो फिर बाकी जो मेथड्स है वो नेगेटिव वैल्यूज़ के साथ वो नहीं परफॉर्म किया जा सकता. बट दिस मेथड इज़ एबल टू वर्क good also with the negative values individuals जिनकी जो fitness score है अगर वो negative values में है तो वो भी यहाँ पे यूज़ किए जा सकते हैं और tournament selection method के थ्रू वो भी eligible होते हैं to participate in the parent selection method. This figure is representing a tournament organized for selecting a parent from the multiple available individuals of that specific population. So each one, this number is representing each and every chromosome or individual in that population. So we have each and every individual or the chromosome has its fitness values here. Now, on the basis of their fitness values, we randomly select individuals, but this is a random selection to participate in a tournament and produce offsprings. For example, in this specific case, we have selected this A, E, and T to participate in this tournament to produce offsprings. Now, they were selected randomly, but in the next step of the tournament, on the basis of their fitness values, the most best fitted individual will be selected. And in this case, for example, we can see that this A has a fitness score of 5, E has a fitness score of 2, and T has a fitness score of 2 again. So the best fitted individual in this tournament is A. So we will select this A into the further round, and it will be the finalist in this tournament and the winner of this round. And so A will be selected as offspring and will go into the next round to reproduce and produce offsprings. Now, if we want to select another individual as a parent to participate and to reproduce, so we will put all these again back into this population, and everyone is again has an equal opportunity to participate in the tournament. So again, another tournament will be organized to select another parent, and in this way number of individuals are selected through this tournament method, and they reproduce and will be able to produce offspring for the next generation. So this is another method which is very useful method, and is usually used in the literature, found in the literature, majorly used by different researchers for selecting parents and to reproduce to produce offsprings.